Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to safely load your tractor on a trailer and secure it properly. We're also going to be showing you these Vevor binders and chains. These things are awesome. Now, Old Blue, she's a pretty good sized tractor, 55 horsepower turbo. She can get the job done, but she's a little on the heavy side. So we got to make sure we got the right equipment for the job. I think the F-250 Trimmer Beast is up for it. Also got this 20-foot equipment trailer. First time I've used it for Old Blue, kind of concerning. Can I do it safely? Let's find out. We're going to try to do this safely. I got my big F-250 trimmer locked in 4 low. Got the emergency brake on. We got it on fairly level ground. We're going to use these jack stands right here under the end so it doesn't push up the tongue. Let's go ahead and get these clips out right here for the ramps. Again, I've never used this trailer for loading Old Blue, so I'm going to be doing some learning here. All right. All right, we got the jack stands under it. We got the ramps on. We have to adjust them to the width when I get the tractor up close. I think we're getting there. All right, let's get Old Blue lined up with the front. I lift my bucket up high enough. All right, lined up with the trailer. Not to move those ramps over. Turn the engine off. I don't want it running me over, do I? About right there is good on that one. All right, about right there on that one. Looks pretty good. Now the moment of truth. Now it really is best to have somebody with you when you're doing this, just in case something goes wrong. But you definitely want to make sure you have your ROPS, your ROPS, your rollover protection, and have your seatbelt on when you're attempting to load your tractor on your trailer. You don't want the bad things to happen. I'm going to drive the tractor up in low and 4-wheel drive. Lined up, pretty good. Put my bucket down, give me some more stability. Keep on going. A bucket on the ground just till it touches. Boom, right there. Put the emergency brake on, leave everything in gear on the tractor, and we are ready. I think I made that look easy, didn't I? When you're going up that ramp though, it is a puckering moment. Now I'm gonna make sure all the tire pressures are good on the truck and on the trailer. I've already checked them beforehand. Just want to check them again, make sure everything looks like it's right, nothing's losing air. I've also got 0 squat on the F-250. I got the ball height set just right, so the tongue weight's just right. All right, now it's time to strap it in. Get the ramps re-secured. To secure our load today, we're going to be using Vevor's load binders. I got 2 sets of these, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. They are rated for 7,100 pounds, and these load binders are heavy. These are really, really good. G80 steel. Now I got 20-foot long chain, again, G80 chain. These binders work for 5/16 to 3/8 inch chain. Again, these chains are 20 feet long, so more than enough length to, to secure whatever you need. The handles, a lot of time your binders have handles that are affixed in there, right? And you can't get them out, and they're hard to store and all that. Well, these are removable very much easier to store, and they're got a gnarled handle to get good traction. Speaking of traction, rubberized grip right here. Look at, oh yeah, much, much better. It has a side snap design for the lock too, side snap. That sometimes they used to have you have to do the little thing right there and it bites your finger. Oh man, that was terrible. So we're gonna put these to the test, show you how to get them installed on your tractor front and back, at least how I do it. If you have ideas of how to do this better, again, I'm not a professional tractor hauler by any means. Leave comments down below. Let me know, Tim, you did this wrong. Tim, here's a better way to do it. I'd sure appreciate it. But these Vevor load binders, I think they're gonna work. Now a reminder, I am not an expert, I am not a professional. Try this at your own risk, but this is how I do it. I got it secured around the back of the trailer. You can crisscross, do whatever side you want. I'm gonna slide the chain down the post hole, and then I'm gonna attach the hook on a non-welded side of the chain. There's a little weld, each link has a weld in it. Strongest side's the opposite side. Get that there. Get my binder on a non-welded side. Same thing here on a non-welded side right there. Now, flip the lever and start cranking. Tight, tight, tight. Till we can get it bound up, okay? All the excess will take care of that, but that is pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna go through and get all four of them on and then tighten them all down. Don't forget to loosen up your turnbuckles before you start tightening. I think I tightened those down too much before I'd loosen the turnbuckles. So definitely want to make sure you remember that. All right, let's get them tight. There we go. Let's get the other side. That's what I mean by loosen them up. Gotta go the right direction though. That way you got room to tighten them up. They won't bottom out on you. Tight. Another thing is I use wheel chocks too. Don't forget wheel chocks because your trailer can move even with your truck emergency brake on. Emergency brake don't always hold, that's for sure. So wheel chocks are very, very important. All right, guys, we got her loaded up. It is time to take old Blue to get her 300-hour plus service and get that backhoe attachment put on. Make her a new girl here on the Ridge. Woo! Hopefully you enjoyed today's video of me showing you how to safely and securely load your utility tractor on an equipment trailer. We also use these binders and chains from Vevor. pretty impressed with these. If you'd like to get some for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribing is 100% free. You can also subscribe to RidgeLife. That's where we do all the work and building. Also got RidgeLife Ramblings where we talk about it and spill the beans. So make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out on any of our channels. So guys, until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day and go RidgeLife.